Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to secure your website from hackers in 2022. So first of all, as you can see over here, we are at wordpress.com, and most people would like to do, I don't know why would they do that, but most people just go ahead and click on plugins, add new, and sorry, plugin, add new, and what they does is go over here and write down hide my WP, and after that they use any obviously any plugin from over there, and they think that their website is like safe from their hackers. So it's not true actually. So why? Because I'm not saying they are hackers obviously, but I'm just telling you that these hide my WP is not that worthy at all, because these plugins can be they can also breach through your information, and they can easily get your information, so it's not really that amazing. So something that you want to do with your website, and because a lot of database do happen when they're targeting the plugins instead of targeting your WordPress website. That plugin has actually login information, your WP login, PHP, and hackers can get access to your website. So what you need to do instead, so before we go further, what you need to check also that what I accidentally clicked on users, and you can also go ahead and click on users. So you need to realize that I hope someone acting like a fishy, and obviously what any role they have, what we say, customer role or any other role like that. I want you guys to remove that person, because anything fishy is going on, it will affect on your website. So just remember that, do that also. After that, what you need to do, you need to go add a new plugin, go to plugins, add new, and the plugin I'm going to talk about is Sucuri. So how does it spell? Sucuri, Sucuri. Search that, and the first one is Sucuri. Click on more details and let's see what it has. So right now you can see that they are providing, I'm going to skip all of this. So right now you can see like security activity auditing, file integrity monitoring, remote malware block list, effective security hardening, post hack security actions, security notifications, and website firewall. And it's premium, by the way. So click on install now, and after that what you need to do, you can easily activate it. Obviously click on that, and on the left side you can see the an option. So at the bottom you can see security. Click on that and it will take you right over here. So here you can see we have audit logs, iframes, and just go back, links, scripts, and everything single thing over here. You can see site is clean, not in the block list, and they are providing some recommendation, WordPress security recommendation, etc. And after that what you need to see that core website WordPress files were modified. So if you lose you doing some plugins, and installing some plugins for your website, and they are doing something, so just ignore this and you can just click on review false positives. So you can just mention that. After that you can generate your API key, click on dashboard, and you can overview a whole what is going on around your website. And you can click on firewall, and after that you can enter your firewall API key from click on here, and it will take you right over there. So you can just save that over here. You can click on audit logs, you can click on IP address, you can block certain IP addresses if you think they are a threat to your website. so you can also paste those IP addresses over here and submit that, and you can also clearly clear your cache, so it's very easy, right? So right now we are at settings. This is the setting for securities WP plugin, and you can see we have more options over here like scanner, hardening, post tag, alerts, API, service. It's very like generic things which if you know about like website or anything. And you can see that API key, obviously we haven't set that, and data storage, log exporter, reverse proxy, IP address discover, and all those informations over here. If you go at hardening, and you can see over here you can see that verify like WordPress and version, and you can easily like check hardening if you want. Like over here you can see block of certain PHP files, check hardening. So it's very easy to understand like what's going on in security, and we have seen like what they are working on, and what things they are going to like provide. So after that, remember that after every single update for any plugin, not just security, any plugin, just update that, because especially in security reasons you need to do that. So remember that if you have any update in the future for security, so I believe you should do that. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.